Hey everybody, Aaron Zamzo, Fit Firehouse Cooking. Today, I am going to teach you how to cook pork tenderloin.
Want some bacon?
No, man, I don't eat pork.
Are you Jewish?
No, I ain't Jewish. I just don't dig on swine, that's all.
Why not?
Now this is a quick and easy recipe. There are 100 different ways to cook this. There are 100 different ways to marinate it. This is my go-to when I got to get something out on the table for the crew or for my family. A lot of times if I'm in the store and in a hurry, I'll already buy a pre-marinated tenderloin. There's a lot of different options. Typically, the citrusy or the fruit juice marinades work really, really well because they like to seal in flavor and actually try to, and the acids actually cook it a little bit. So you look at your lemon garlic or your cherry pepper. Those type of marinades work really well. I always go with something that's already pre-marinated, and that's what we're going to cook for you today. So, a couple of different steps to this. You don't need a lot other than the tenderloin, some foil, a pan to sear, and then another pan to bake. So let's get after it. So we just seared a pork and now it's in the oven. I wanted to just point out one really helpful tool that I maybe didn't talk about before, and that is a meat thermometer. This thing can save you tons of time, tons of headache. Learn how to use one, get a good one. There's some digital ones. There's actually ones that can talk to your phone and they have Bluetooth. It's crazy. But what we're going to do today is cook the tenderloin till they're about 145 degrees. So every once in a while, typically about 15 to 18 minutes, I'm going to check them. Once I hit that 145, we pull them out. But learn how to use a meat thermometer, get one. Make sure you got one at your firehouse or in your own kitchen.